Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. So friend, in this video I will show you step-by-step tutorial to do that. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, let's get started. First we are going to open a website in Google Chrome. So first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. And here you can see my Google Chrome is open now, and this is my search page of Google. Okay, now here I'm going to open Gmail, and also I'm going to open YouTube. I have two websites right now and I want to pin a tab. Okay, so how we can do that? So friend, first thing first, we are going to right click on this, then right click on that tab. Here you can see this is my Google and this is I'm using regularly. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it, and then here you will get pin option. Okay, you simply click on it. Okay, so friend, you can see that this website is added in pin. The tab will move to the left side and become smaller, showing mainly the website's icon. So here you can see that. Okay, now here I'm going to do another website with pin. So here we are going to first you select that tab. Again we are going to click on this pin. Okay, so here you can see these two websites are in pinned. Okay, now I'm going to share with you how you can unpin a website. Okay, let's do these things first. These three websites are pinned now, and now we want to unpin these things. Then simply first select this YouTube, then right click on it, and then you will get this unpin option. You can unpin. So here you will see this tab is showing big. Okay, now we are going to do Gmail unpin. You right click on it, first you select that pin and then right click on it, then click unpin. By this way you can easily do that and your website will pin and unpin. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.